Acidity of alcohols and phenols. It is very important topic regarding this chapter. Any acid must be react with base to form salt plus hydrogen or water. Similarly, ethanol reacts with sodium metal to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. And phenol reacts with both Na, either NaOH. It will form sodium phenoxide ion. It is a salt and hydrogen or water. So all the three reactions suggest that both alcohol and phenols are acidic. After studying this, we have to study their comparative study. That is, which one is more acidic? So it follows following orders. Phenols greater than H2O greater than alcohol. Regarding acidity, it is also Bronsted acid. It is also Bronsted acid. It gives proton to base. R base plus R O H. BH plus conjugate base. So all the reactions suggest that it is also a Bronsted acid. Now we study the only acidity of phenol. Why phenol is acidic in nature? It is a very important question from this topic. So phenol is acidic due to resonance OH group attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom and also benzene ring is minus I effect group. So its resonating structure is as all the three, 1, 2 and 3 resonating structures suggest that their electron pair is delocalized at both the ortho and para position, and its oxygen atom is less available, and due to this reason OH bond is more polarizes and releases H plus ion and donate H plus ion or proton to show their acidic behavior. Further, both alcohol also protonated to give H plus ion. It is plus high effect group. And phenol a phenoxide ion. This alkoxide ion is not stabilized by resonance because it is attached with electron releasing group. Electron density increases, it easily traps H plus ion, so phenol never further show acidic behavior so far. But phenol forms phenoxide ion and releases H plus ion. And itself phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance, and phenoxide ion on the basis of their resonating structure has no charge separation. So phenoxide ion is more stabler than phenol. So in this way it is more acidic than water as well as alcohol. So the resonating structure of phenoxide ion suggests that it has no charge separation. Oxygen atom has no any charge. Due to this reason, it is stabler than phenol. In this way, we can say that phenoxide ion also show resonance with no charge separation, and phenol show resonance with charge separation. Oxygen atom has positive charge in phenol, and in phenoxide ion there is no charge separation. In this way, we can say that their H plus ion is easily available to show their acidic behavior. It is all about the acidity of phenol.